Unfortunately, the volatility that we saw in 2011 is likely to continue in 2012. It's really tough to forecast which stocks are going to have the leg up in 2012. But we do think there are some themes that will be positives for the market in the year. One of those themes is that high-quality, large companies with a lot of cash on their balance sheet will be in a good position to ride out any of the ups and downs that come in the year. And these very same companies will also have the means to pay dividends, which can make a big difference to your total return in periods where the market is flat or selling off. And you can find dividend-paying companies not just in the U.S., also companies overseas, including in emerging markets, are paying dividends today, which can help smooth out the bumps there as well. As far as sectors, the stocks that are typically seen as safe havens, like telephone companies and utilities, they've had a very nice run in 2011. And one sector in particular that you may want to consider is technology. Now, I'm not talking about the hot IPOs like Pandora and LinkedIn. I'm talking more about the large tech companies that survived the dot-com bubble of the 1990s and have built very solid businesses over the last decade, such as Microsoft, IBM, Apple. Today, these companies have very little debt. They have a lot of cash on their balance sheet, and in some cases, they're paying dividends. But even more importantly, they now sell services and products that are viewed as essentials today by consumers and corporations. For whatever reason, the market has overlooked this sector in the last year. And today, many of these technology companies are selling at a price-to-earnings ratio that is less than the market. So having both elements in your portfolio is very important, because then you're kind of prepared for anything. You're prepared for, a big shock to the economy, but you're also prepared for, the optimistic outlook, which is that we come out of this and that we have better than expected growth in 2012.